Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Zoe Graziella, and today I'm doing a really simple eyeshadow look using the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I'm using 3 brushes for this look: the BS Small blending brush, and the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush that comes in the palette, and the Vander brush. So I'm going to take Raw Sienna and Burnt Orange with my BS Small blending brush and blend that into my crease from my outer corner into my inner corner. Now I'm just going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush and just blend that those 2 colors out further and just make it cleaner and blend it up higher, closer up to my eyebrow and my brow bone. So now I'm going to take Realgar, I think that's how you pronounce it, and I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush and just blend it into my outer V and into my crease as well. Now I'm going to take the other side of the brush and go back into Realgar and pack it onto my outer V and onto my crease as well, just so that the color is a bit stronger and a little darker. I'm just going to blend it out lightly just so that it's not too harsh. So I'm going to take the color Primavera. It's kind of like a goldy color, I guess, like a goldy shimmer. And I'm going to put that onto my lid using my finger. So now I'm going back in with Realgar and I'm just putting a bit of it onto the shimmer so the line between the shimmer and the matte is a bit more subtle. So now I'm going to go in with Vermeer, which is a light pink shimmer, and I'm going to put it on my brush and put it onto my brow bone as a highlight. I'm going to take Vermeer and put it on my finger and just slightly tap it into my inner corner just to get like a little highlight in my inner corner. I'm going to take Burnt Orange and put it onto my brush and rub it under my bottom lashes. So I'm putting on some mascara. You can definitely put on false lashes. You could also do a winged liner if you want to. But this is my finished look. It's really simple and easy, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye! Lots of love!